Said I remember when we used to sit in the government's yard in Trenchtown. And then Georgie would make the firelight as it was, like we're burning through the night.
Hello world, welcome back to the channel. My name is Lane, and as always it is a pleasure to be here. If you're new here, please feel more than welcome to subscribe to our channel so you can immerse yourself into some authentic Jamaican culture. And if you already know the ins and outs of this channel, welcome back my friends. You make this space what it is. Now, when it's Easter time in Jamaica, you can count on one of three things to happen. 1, people will be going to the beach. 2, bun and cheese will be eaten. And 3, food are going to cook and fish are going to fry. Now, there are very simple and direct reasons as to why these traditions during Easter time in Jamaica has prevailed for so many years and years. From the idea of me, we eat bun and cheese and fry fish during Easter. And one of the main reasons for these traditions in Jamaica during Easter links back to the colonial era when Jamaica was colonized by the British. Now, on Good Friday, the British would have something called hot cross buns, which were spice buns with a cross on the surface made from flour paste. And they had this to signify the end of Lent and to pay their respect and to show their veneration for Jesus Christ after his death. And these hot cross buns were often paired with cheese because it complemented so well. So in short, the British did introduce bun to the island, but Jamaicans took it and put their own spin on it. We no longer have the cross on the bun. You'd see if you were buying a bun in Jamaica, you wouldn't necessarily have that circular shape that the hot cross buns have. Most of our buns here, they're rectangular. They have fruits, a lot more spices, and no paste on the surface of it whatsoever. So the next time you have a slice of bun and cheese, just remember that this is a testament to Jamaica's ingenuity and creativity and how we can take anything that was thrown on us and put our own spin on it to make it something into what we think is for our own betterment. Because I don't know about you, but I like a good slice of bun and cheese. And it's also a testament to how diverse the Jamaican culture is. Our motto, out of many one people, really reigns true. Most of our cultural practices and traditions, you'll find that they have roots far and wide. Because that's what Jamaica is. Jamaica is a pot with whole heap of ingredients from all over the world. That's the best way to put it. And yet still, they say too much cook spoil the pot. But so far, Jamaica is still beautiful as ever with all the different culture and tradition all fused into one. You would think that the pot would collapse and the food would taste bad. But somehow we manage to still keep the fire burning and the pot bubbling, and it still tastes nice and sweet. So we have to give thanks for that Jamaica still stands irrespective of just how many things were thrown at her. She thrives and she blooms and she survives and she reinvents herself. You know, she is resilient. When Jamaicans say we little, but with talawa, there is something deep under that for we. We mean it. We are little, but mighty God, we are talawa. We are a force to be reckoned with. You will see us, you will hear us, you will smell our pot. That is what Jamaica is all about. So I hope the rest of this video brings back memory as always. I can't remember who it was, but somebody in the comment section say I make these videos to kind of make individuals overseas jealous because I'm pulling on their heartstrings of how beautiful Jamaica is. But these videos, I hope even when you kiss your teeth, I hope there's a warmth in your heart to know that you will always be connected to this culture. It don't matter how you could go as far as where the ice don't melt. You will always be connected to this culture because this culture don't leave. Once it's in you, it's in you. So enjoy the rest of the video, guys. Happy Easter. Be well, be at peace, but most of all, be whatever. Bye, guys.
Scottish game, eh?
Darling, don't shed no tears, no woman, no cry. Said I remember when we used to sit in the government's yard in Trenchtown, and then Georgie